Microwaving an off-brand Swedish fish.
It's a juju fish. Wait, have you noticed that the microwave just changes the direction it spins?
Does it?
Yeah, this one is spinning the opposite direction of the tennis ball.
I thought it was spinning the same way.
No.
Oh, it's melting.
Rest in peace, juju fish.
It smells good.
Wait, why did you put 3 minutes in?
Did I? Oh, I did. It's more time to cook this thing to perfection, I guess.
Perfection.
Perfection. Do you smell it?
No, I'm wearing a respirator. I don't know what this thing blocks out. Whoop. Yeah, it's getting nice and cooked now.
Yeah.
Cooked onto the plate so that it will be a living nightmare to scrape off of it again.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, that has been rather eventful.
Yeah, compared to the other stuff that we've done.
Okay, but the tennis ball is quite funny.
Yeah.
Whoop. Yeah. I would not eat that if I were you.
Yeah, I am not gonna eat that. Lesson learned, don't microwave off-brand Swedish fish.